But whatever you do not cancel this video.
Don't cancel me, please.
Almost every word has a story, a hidden meaning, a twist that you didn't see coming. Take the words asset, biscuit, and cancel. They have interesting origins that you probably didn't know. So let's go behind the words so you can become wise to the words. And that's a big asset.
That's a very big asset.
Asset. Got any assets? Well, hopefully you have more assets than liabilities. An asset is something valuable. Money, property, skills.
Even a very particular set of skills.
But the word asset itself comes from the Old French word assez, meaning enough. But the word assez comes from the Latin assatis, which means to the point of sufficiency. Originally, it was a legal term. If you owed debts, your assets were what you had that was enough to cover them. Assatis, sufficient. Now flip the coin and you get liabilities. Liability comes from the Latin ligare, which means to bind or tie. Something you're bound to, something that will tie you down. From that same root comes the word liaison, a connection, a tie between people, lovers, organizations, secret agents. Even sauces in 17th century cookery was considered a liaison, as it were, something that thickened things, that brought everything together, tied it all together. And here's the deeper thread. Ligare also gives us religion, from the Latin religare, to bind fast, to bind to God. Binding humans to the divine, an obligation, obligare. So assets free you, they're enough, they're sufficient, and liabilities bind you. But some ties, like faith and love, might just be your greatest asset of all. Some chains, like the truth, sets you free. Biscuit. A biscuit might seem like a humble snack, soft, flaky, maybe a little bit sweet, but its name tells a story of heat and survival.
I'm like, how are the biscuits and gravy? Oh, they make you want to slap your mama.
Biscuit comes from the Latin bis, coctus, twice cooked. Bis, twice, and quocore, to cook. You see, the original biscuit wasn't light and fluffy. It was hard and dry.
Big fat biscuits.
Like a rock. It was made to last long journeys, perfect for sailors, soldiers, and pilgrims. Think of it as the ancestor of the cracker, not so much the cookie. And as a bonus bite, the Latin verb quoquere also gives us the word concoct, to cook up, and precocious, which literally means cooked early, like those precocious kids. So the next time you bite into a biscuit, just remember, that biscuit has been through hell twice.
You got any biscuits for sale in there?
Cancel. To cancel something is to call something off, to erase it, to make it disappear. Cancel comes from the Latin cancellare, which means to cross out, but itself comes from cancelli, which means a lattice or grating. Think of barred windows, crisscrossed like a grid. In ancient Rome, these lattices were used in prisons and courtrooms, a symbol of division, boundaries, things off limits. So when you cancel something, you're not just ending it, you're separating it, isolating it. It's like drawing a line through it, like a cross, to be canceled. Now we went behind the words, so you can be wise to the words. If you enjoyed this video, or learned anything, or was even slightly entertained, then please like this video. Or you could grab a couple biscuits, cancel all your plans for the whole week, and binge watch every video on my channel. That would be a big asset.